Hi, Martin here, and today I'm going to show you a very useful Mac trick which allows you to organize your screen by splitting and snapping open windows. So by the end of the video, your desktop will go from cluttered to organized. So let's get started. So using split view allows it where you can have two or more windows side by side. So you might think I've got this. So using split view allows it where you can have two or more windows side by side. So you might think I've got this Word document. So here I've got a Word document. I want to be able to copy some of that information over to my presentation, but I'm kind of opening this one, then this one goes behind. And particularly when you've got a Mac with maybe a smaller screen, maybe one of the 13 inches, that screen real estate gets difficult. So using split view is something that allows you to help organize the different windows that you have open on your laptop. So the way that we do this is first, so we can go to our first one. So I know I want this Word document. And what we're going to do is go up here to the top left and we're going to go on the green here. So when we go on here, you're going to see that we have essentially a few different options. We have move and resize with 4 options, and then we have fill and arrange. And then we also have the option of full screen, which is fairly self-explanatory. So most of the time, the one you're going to want is move and resize, and you're going to want here. This is going to snap it over onto this left-hand side. And then what I could do over with my presentation is I can do the same thing, hover over the green, and I'm going to snap that over to the right-hand side. So now it's making it much easier for me to work between these two documents. Now, you may also see that I have some extra documents on here. So I've got this spreadsheet over here as well. Maybe I want to have that as part as well. So what I can do with that, that's where I can move down to this fill and arrange. So you can see here with move and resize, we've got left and right and top and bottom. So fill and arrange is something that will allow you to either full screen. You can have 2, but it will automatically decide which 2, and same with the 3 here. So if I say went for the 4, fill and arrange, if I click on that, it will automatically take all 4 windows that I have open and arrange them all in a split view, each in their own corner. So it's another way just to kind of quickly see all the windows that I have open and be able to work between all 4, all 2, or all 3. So I really hope that you found this video useful. It's a great way to organize your desktop and, like I said, give yourself a little bit more real estate on that Mac screen. So if you found this video useful, please give it a like, comment below, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.